Hello. I have got some buckles ready, and I'm going to blue them. Dang it, was on my bumper, my pickup. Got them shined up and polished, cleaned, and now I'm cooking fish right now. It's Friday. Been from letting my blue and salt heat up in my fish fryer, cooking my fish. And it's a process. I've had it cooking for about 20 minutes. Waving at everybody goes by. Sometimes they honk. It's starting to get the bubbly right now. It's boring. It's just a little process. It's a pain in the butt. But it puts a pretty finish on the buckles or whatever you want to turn steel blue. It's after 5, maybe it's time for one beer. I don't drink that much, but maybe today it's okay for me. Drinking one beer, go to sleep. It's starting to boil right now. I don't have a thermometer in there. I just look at it by eye. When it starts getting up to here and the foam is really thick and not bubbly. If the bubbles are real loose and big, it's too much water. Right now it's got a little water in it. It's starting to bubble up. Get a little close to the top. I gotta put my fire back. Let it sit there and simmer for a little bit like that. And I'll watch my bubbles. Shit stink. I cook up my witch's brew. I don't like these, making me nervous. So it'll sit there and bubble up and down, wind to blow the fire away, and I'll sit there and say about 350 degrees is where I want it. I'm friendly to everybody that comes. They wave. It's okay. That'd be good for me. Nobody stop and say bye. Say hello to me. There's the one buckle. Fixing to put it in there. And the bubbles are real small, and that's good. I want more of a foam. I want it more solid. It's getting a little too, even that low of heat, get a little warm. As soon as I put that buckle in, it's gonna. When I see that steam coming off, that tells me it's close. Every time I heat this up, I burn it off. It burns off some of the salt, blue and salt. It's boring. I like it to wave at people's. Because I'm in the country. It's in my country, in the world. Go ahead and stick it in there. It'll go down to nothing. I'm cranking my heat back up. Get it burrowing in. One fish. Too hot. Too hot. Don't wave at me. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Get a little close. Got to watch it. It takes time. Hope this don't take that long. I'm just going to do 2 and 2 keepers that I had to redo. And then from here I'll go and engrave them. I'll clean them off and then I'll go engrave them. They'll be black and I'll oil them. here I'll go to the water and baking soda, kind of neutralize the acid that's in there. Chicken-leg. No, I know. But I need some more salt. It's a pain in the ass. No satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction here. It's mucho boring. Might need to add some more salt, and that's going to be a whole another. That's why I tell people I like to build 2 or 3 at a time, sometimes 4, because this takes forever. That's just a blue pot, a blue stew, metal pot for for cooking stew. Pioneer bowls or whatever they call them. Works good for these. Stainless steel pot won't work. Neutralizes that acid. I've been told. I haven't tried one. Of course, I couldn't afford a stainless steel pot. But the salt's expensive. I hate to waste it. Attempting a stainless. Aluminum you definitely sure don't want to use because it'll damn sure eat it up. It's acid for one. I may need to add some more salt. The bubbles are still a little big and they're bubbling. It's not foamy. I want it foam like a sea foam. It comes up on the shore. I want it to be foamy. Like, it's not working. Damn it. There's no turning bubbles. I was not ready for these. Shouldn't have started this video. I haven't glued any in since Christmas, so it's probably got more water. It attracts water in that stuff. When you order this stuff, it comes in a 5-gallon bucket. It's a hazardous chemical, so it's an extra shipping charge on it. I'm about out of it. Gotta get some more. I don't know how much it is. It's been 2 years since I bought any. I think it was $150. It should last quite a while, but come on, too slow. Put heat to it. Oh shit! Too much is. This might take an hour. I'm not gonna video this for an hour. This is boring. A pain in the butt. And I don't have anything cool. I don't have any news to talk about. This is why, if it would be entertaining, I guess this would be fun to watch. I'm just bluing some bubbles. People think I'm cooking fish. My fish fryer. Put in some more salt. Get the concoction right. The mixture's not right. It's the more bubblies now. This is no good for me. I'm gonna have to now that it's not right, I'm gonna have to take this buckle out, clean it up again, repolish it. If I don't, it'll be faded and dark and dull looking. It won't be shiny. I've got this concoction on it, so I gotta redo the buckle again. This is a pain in the butt. Add some more salt. Burns here and waste propane, let it burn off the remainder, but it'll burn up the salt too. It's a catch-22 either way you go. It's slow. I forgot to wave at those people. Probably think I'm an ass. Uh-oh. Comes one motorcycle. Breaking the law for here. I'm riding the motorcycle down the road. Mucho crazy. But that's how we do it over in Evan. We don't give a damn. We do what we want up in here. That's how we do that. Man, it's taking forever. Oh, sheesh. Damn it. Damn it. Come on, man. Got time for that. I'm gonna have to put some more salt. I'm gonna have to shut this down, I think. This is taking way too long. Oh, I got some of the water off. Yeah, see, it's not doing a dang thing. So, I'm gonna drag my salt out. Put some salt in here. Repolish the damn buckle. And then try it again. Making me so angry. No got time for this. No got any time for this. Shit. I'm done. It's no bueno. I will be back. Putting more salt. Don't want to add water to this shit. It will boil all over the place. So water will just send it over the top. Splash all over one. It's very dangerous. Safety first. Don't look at it. That'll be enough. Just let it keep heating up. Most of these processes are boring. Not very entertaining for people that are watching. I'll let that heat. It's still heating on low. I gotta go clean this buckle up because it's all rusted now. Be back. Got my fire going. I got more salt. I got a fire. Mucho hot. Momento. Hey, back. Well, I see my uncle over there. He's going that way. I set a break. It's 6 o'clock. Turn the heats up some more. Don't pay attention. Nobody looking here. It's American to fry fish and drink a beer. That's what I've been told. Just one. That's all I need. It's been a long day. Long day. Everything. Trying to solve the world's problems here at this shop. Can't be done. So we think about it all day. Ooh, I got it. Boom. Mucho bueno, that's what I want to see. Slow down, slow down. Hey, caramba. I got it botão now, it's a little white. Got my buckles ready. Got these things. Tomorrow is a pig cook-off, wild pig cook-off here in town. I'm honored to been asked to be a judge for it. It's a first for me. I've never judged a. I told it. Most of the competitors, if they want to win, they got to pay me a pretty good price. Whoever hits the highest price is gonna win. That's the way I feel. I gotta make money too. So far, I haven't received any money. Nobody's gonna win. Something like that. Combine. It's pretty busy. It's Friday. So yeah, tomorrow, lunchtime. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this done before my battery dies. It's always the case. Get you one buckles, maybe get some thighs. Get some hotness. Hotness. I put a U. I baptize you in the hot waters. Turn it black, will you? Ain't got no time for these. Got a foam in there. It's real tight. There's no. Now it's bubbling again. Making me mad. I don't got time for these. Neighbors. Oh, look at that. Look at that shit. That's what I'm talking about. What's up, fellas? Peace be with you. I got it going now, son and sonettes. Look at that, she's black. That's what I like. Can you see? Need a little bit more. Let me move my drink. Show you closer. It's mucho bueno. Dip it in the water. Gotta put it buckles. Yes, put it. Can you see? Maybe not so bueno. Put it black. Buckle, maybe some more. Yay! I'm dumping one more in there. All these. Ay, caramba! And drink. Damn it. Ay, ay. Getting mucho hot. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's Canadian. Oh. It's getting hot, eh? Oh, yeah, eh? Come on. That's turning black there, buddy. Hey, buddy. It's good, looking good for me. Got a black buckle. It's getting the bubblies. See, the foam is starting to get real tight and the bubbles are real small. That's what I want. That's when you're gonna get the. That's when it's time. It's like a witch's brew, sea foam. It's turning everything black. I will wave at you, fellow, but I have my hands full. Sorry. Okay. Looking good here. Blackness. Darkness. Ugh. Black. Watching this fire for me. I'll be right back. Good job, everybody, for watching for me. You almost got away from me. Yes. Perfection. Thanks for watching my fire while I went there and get my rag. I appreciate that. Can't do it without you. See. Oh, cheap. Okay, a little heat on that one. Man, that's pretty. 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 Black. There's one. Maybe one more before my phone die and you know see the result. Because of my piece poor planning. I'll ruin it for you experience. Yes. Gustav. Bam. You know, oh shoot. Oh, there's the keepers. I didn't want keepers. Gotta clean those off. That's it. Cut that off. That's it. That's blue and buckles. Put in the finish. Have a good night. Adios.